Hello. Today I will be teaching you lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 involves this motion. Just tossing it back and forth. For this, you want it the same height as lesson number 1, right above your head. And you start with it in your good hand, whatever that hand is, and you just throw it across, like this. And then, you want to start with your bad hand too. So, I'm going to throw it from my right hand to my left hand. My left hand is my bad hand. And throw it back. And you just keep doing this for a while until you get good at it. And once you get good at it, that's pretty much the second step to juggling, and you're almost to 2 balls.